ICU numbers may start to stabilize, but there's worry tonight it's just a calm before another surge in COVID cases.
News 8's Brandon Lewis goes beyond the numbers to explain and shares an update on vaccines and the UK variant strain here in San Diego.
Now, Carlo and Marcella, a lot of this is still part of that Christmas surge, people who gathered over the holidays and contracted coronavirus. The labs report that we are still seeing more cases of that UK strain that is more infectious. Many people didn't have travel history, which means it is likely spreading deep within our communities here at a time that our hospitals are already overwhelmed. More than half of all patients in county ICUs have coronavirus. It's been this way for the last 3 weeks, and although cases are leveling off, that percentage could grow as hospitals prepare for another surge. At least some of it is driven by a new variant of coronavirus that was first identified in the United Kingdom. Researchers know of at least 40 cases locally, but say the true number is likely far higher.
It's really a system behind a system, and we only have the capacity to test a very, very small percentage, actually far less than 1% of the tests that are actually conducted in the county can be sequenced like this.
This is the first week of a new board of supervisors who are eager to try new approaches on the issue, especially in hard-hit South Bay communities.
We are hopeful that we will get additional dollars through the change in administration. I think that's going to have a clear impact in our communities, specifically the CARES Act.
They are also reiterating enforcement. The county says 90% of violating businesses comply after a visit by an officer. Another 5% comply after getting a cease and desist order, with the rest turned over for potential prosecution.
The more compliance we get, the quicker we will be able to be open. And the more compliance we get, the quicker and longer we will be able to stay open.
Meanwhile, the county is still trying to cobble together information on vaccinations. With so many hospitals and entities getting them directly, official data may not accurately show how many people have actually received their first dose.
My knowledge and understanding is we're just probably over 100,000 roughly, but again, we're not completely sure because so many of those entities were still trying to tie that into a common reporting system. And we think that, well over 50,000 have been administered.
The state expects that we will continue seeing a surge of cases related to the New Year holiday before things start to get better, and he hinted more restrictions could potentially be on the way.